Hey guys, my name is Abhishek and welcome to my channel Alvem Maths. Today in this video, we are going to continue with arithmetic progressions. We are going to learn the basic concepts with respect to exercise 5.3. Last video, we had learned the general term of an AP. We had learned how to find the nth term of an AP. So in this session, we are going to learn how to find the sum of these n terms of an AP. Okay, so to take an example of an AP, let us say we have 2, 5, 8, 11 dash dash. Okay, so we know how to find the nth term of an AP. Nth term meaning an. So an, we had learnt the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So this was the formula to find the nth term of an AP, like to find the 10th term or to find the 15th term. Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to find the sum of n terms. We denote it by Sn. So sum of n terms, what does it mean? Like, let's say sum of the first 4 terms of an AP, sum of the first 10 terms of an AP. Okay, so it's practical, like to add maybe the first 3 terms. I can add manually 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8, 15. I ask you sum of first 4 terms, you can manually add it. But it's not again practical to manually add each and every number. If I ask you for sum of, in the sequence, sum of first 50 terms, it's not possible to add them manually. So that's why we have the formula here, Sn formula, to find the sum of the first n terms. The formula is n by 2 brackets 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the first formula, and we can derive 2 more formulas from here. So you see, what I'll do is, in the same formula 2a, I'll split it as a plus a, and in the next step, this a plus n minus 1 into d, we know this is given by an, the nth term. That is the formula for nth term of an AP. If you remember, an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this value, so this a remains the same, and this value we are going to replace it with an. Okay, so the formula Sn becomes n by 2 a plus an. So we use this formula sometimes when we know the last term. If we know the nth term, if we know the first term, and if we know the number of terms, we can use this formula. Okay, and sometimes we also use this formula, a plus l. So sometimes the last term is denoted by l, an, as you know, but we also denote the last term, the nth term, which is an, by l as well. Okay, so you can remember this is the main formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a square bracket here. N by 2 is in multiplication with the whole thing. And the second formula is, Sn is the sum of n terms, n by 2, a plus an. So first term plus the nth term, which is same as n by 2, square brackets, a plus l. L is nothing but an, just a denotion. Okay? Alright, so we'll move to the examples now. Now let us apply the same formula Sn with respect to this AP, 2, 5, 8, 11. So if you observe here, the first term a value in this 2, 5, 8, 11 sequences, a is 2. Common difference is 5 minus 2, which is 3. Okay, here let us say the question is find the sum of first 20 terms. So what are you asking? S20. The question is to find S20, the sum of first 20 terms. So S20, we use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S20 means n is 20. So here we substitute 20 by 2. So 20 by 2, 2a. So 2 into a value is 2, 2a plus n minus n is 20. So n minus 1 will become 19 when I substitute this value of n here into the common difference, which is 3. So I simplify, this 2 and 20 cancels out, you get 10, and inside 19 into 3 is 57, plus 4, 61. So your final answer is 61 into 10, 610. Okay, so in this sequence, if I add the first 20 terms, okay, 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 and so on till the first 20 terms, the sum of those 20 terms will be 610. So you should remember the three forms of this formula, the sum of n terms formula. This is the first one, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The second one is n by 2, a plus an. And the third form is n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, so this is the second form and this is the third form. Alright.